Today I'm going to show you one of my Airbnbs in Los Angeles and why it's been so successful in Airbnb for the past 2 years. Let's go check it out. I am Davi Nogueira. I'm a realtor and real estate investor in the LA area.
I'm Alec, and I'm a loan officer. We're a real estate team, worked together for many years, and we're excited to show you guys this Airbnb today and how Davi made it successful.
I'm currently selling this house for $1.2 million at the moment. As I mentioned before, I purchased this 2 years ago, so I felt like it was time to upgrade into a bigger and better Airbnb.
So we put together a free training on this property in particular. We're going to break down the finances, the mortgage payment, the appreciation, the depreciation, and the cash flow.
We're also going to be showing you guys a few properties that we sold in the past. We actually helped hundreds of clients buy and sell Airbnbs in Los Angeles, and we want to help you do the same.
The great thing about this property is that he bought it for $650,000 and he bought it with an FHA loan. So a lot of people don't realize that you can buy properties with minimum down payment, which on this particular property was $25,000. So we're going to be talking about all that in our free training. Just click the link below. You'll get access to that free training as well as the bonus videos.
We're looking forward to helping you guys.